Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my another video. I am here to telling you about how to make money fast as a woman. Ready to increase your income? How to make money online fast as a woman, 25 actionable tips. So you are a woman who wants to know how to make money fast. You have come to the right place in the blog spot. We will discuss 25 actionable tips that will help you earn money quickly. You will cover everything from starting your own business to freelancing to selling products online. So, whatever you are looking for a quick way to pay off some bills or want to make some extra cash on the side, these tips will help you get you there. Get paid to do online surveys. One of the easiest ways to make money is by taking online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedbacks from consumers and they were willing to pay for it. There are a few things to keep in mind when taking online surveys. First, be sure to sign up with legitimate companies. There are many scams, so do your research to ensure you are only working with reputable companies. Second, be honest in your answer. The company is paying you for your feedback, so they need an accurate information. And lastly, be patient. Building enough service to earn a significant amount of money can take a while, but if you stick with it, you can make some extra cash in your spare time. Second, start your own business. One of the best ways to make money fast as a woman is to start your own business. This could be anything from starting a blog, opening an online store, or offering consulting service. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit and some business understanding, this is the route for you. There are a few things to remember if you go this route. First, you will want to ensure you have a solid business plan. This will help you map your goals, strategies, and how you plan to make money online. Getting lost and giving up along the way is accessible without plan. Second, don't be afraid to ask for help, whatever hiring a virtual assistant to handle some of the grunt work of enlisting the use of a friend or family member to get your business off the ground. Asking for help is nothing for be ashamed of. And lastly, don't give up. Making money as a woman in the period can be challenging but worth it. If you stick with it and hustle hard, you can make your dreams in a reality. Third, sell products online. If you are a crafty or have some products you no longer need, selling them online is a great way to make money fast. Sites like Etsy and eBay are popular options for selling handmade goods and vintage items. But there are endless other options, so do research and see what platform would be the best fit for your selling. There are few things to remember when selling good products online. First, take a great photos. This is especially important if you are selling on platform like Etsy where people cannot see the product in person before buying. Ensure your image are clear and show the product in its best light. Second, write a great description. This ties it with the first step. But it's important to remember that your photos don't tell the whole story. Be sure to write detailed description of your product, including any pertinent information potential buyers might need to know. And lastly, price your product fairly to make money. Selling online, you need to be competitive with your pricing, but at the same time, don't undervalue your product. Research to see what similar items are selling for and price your accordingly. Fourth, use social media to make money. If you are active on social media, you can use your platform to make money online. This could include promoting products and service to affiliate marketing and sponsor posts. There are endless opportunities to monetize your social media account if you have a large following. Remember a few things if you want to make money online on social media. First, be strategic about the platform you use. Not all platforms are created equal, so it's essential to consider which ones will work best for your business brand. Second, don't be afraid to put in the work. Making money on social media takes time and effort. If you are not willing to put in the time, you will not see the result you want. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.